Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I have done this a long time. I'm an expert with IRS matters. I tell you the truth about what you need to know. Worked at IRS for 10 years. Yeah, I've been doing tax defense for 42 years, and I want to talk to you today about the biggest targets for IRS. You're going to read a lot of stuff. A lot of people publish this. A lot of people publish this. Unless you're really an IRS agent, a former IRS agent, the truth lies where all these people, it's like a lava light. Everyone just this, here, it goes up and down. Let me tell you, the bottom line is, if you're a W-2 wage earner and you don't take credits that you're not supposed to take, you're not going to get audited by IRS. You're safe. So I want you to know the other 20% of people are self-employed. They own their own business. They own their corporations or partnerships. Those are the ones that are likely to be audited by Internal Revenue Service. Why? IRS knows that that's where the cheating really takes place. That's where the fat lies for IRS. So what happens is IRS has algorithms now generated by AI. They've been using AI actually for some time. They never really disclosed that. I'm letting you know they did, and they know who's lying and who's not, generally on their tax return. Not all the time, but most of the time they're pretty accurate. They're not going to send agents to do returns that they don't think are matching their specs. Just think of that. You're a business. You're not going to waste time sending out letters to people you know that are doing things the right way. So IRS targets businesses and corporations because they know the deductions and all the tax credits and everything that are available to them. They take them, and they're taking advantage of certain loopholes that they think they can take that they can't. So I'm just letting you know, if you want to know who gets audited, it's always the self-employed person, the corporation, the partnerships, always, all the time. Unless you're really unlucky, you are going to be that target for IRS. Here's what you need to know about if you're the target. Really important to understand this. Big is if IRS goes ahead and audits you and sends a letter out, that is only the beginning. It opens the door for them to go in and start exploring where else they want to look. They start with 1 year, they go to two years, they can go to 3 years. Understand that if, especially the self-employed person is just living on dollars that comes in. They know that it's hard to make a living if you're self-employed. I know that. I'm one of you. So IRS drills down and knows these are the people that tend to go ahead and cheat or fudge their records just a little more because they need more money. It's kind of a cruel system. You try to make a living really on your own, but at the end of the day, honestly, you're the target. You and I are targets for IRS audits, only because history shows that our group kind of tends to fudge a little more. So what's the moral of the story? Just keep clean records, and you'll never be able to, you won't have to worry, and you'll go to bed at night. So talk to your advisor. If you think your advisor's doing a really good job, leave it alone. If you need some advice, give me a call. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you.